Hello, in this video I want to show you the progress that is made on SPI branch. So in this video I want to show you how I deployed chess server from SPI branch to our production cluster that is used by OCO and create a workspace based on OpenShift recipe type. This is the only recipe type that is currently supported in SPI. So you can see that in my chess project I have already started deployment of my chess server. I have built the image and push it to Docker Hub from SPI branch. So let's see the logs. It's in the process of deployment right now. So I think we need to wait a little bit. I will talk a little bit about the OpenShift recipe type right now. So in our predefined stack, for now we do not have stacks based on OpenShift recipe type. So I'll need to create a workspace using my custom workspace config. So as you can see, I have different recipe type, so it's not Docker image, it's called OpenShift, but the rest of the config is pretty much the same what we use for our Vertex stack that is used for quick starts on OCO. So as you can see in the content here, I have basically a Kubernetes list. So it's a single port workspace where I define the image and some properties like memory limits so that it would suits for OCO. But the main idea of this is to, with OpenShift recipe type, to have pretty much the same experience what we have with Docker image on OpenShift connector on master and what is basically used on OCO right now. So let me copy the workspace config. So our chess server port is up and running. So you see that dashboard is loading, everything seems to work fine. But as I said, we do not have OpenShift recipe type in predefined stacks, so I need to go directly to Swagger right now and go to the workspace post, and here I will define my workspace config from my custom file here. So I define here the memory limits and the image is array vertex latest, the same that is used on OCO. So I create a workspace, and now I need to navigate to the workspace URL here. Oops, it's not correct one. Sorry. It's like this. So, and workspace will be started right now. So as I said, what we want to have is pretty much the same experience what we have right now on master with Docker image recipe type. So workspace is started. Need to wait a little bit, as always. So you see that workspace agent is running. And you basically see that the IDE is pretty much different from what we have right now on master, because SPI branch also includes the IDE improvements here. So you see the workspace is up and running. I use the same project that is used for quick start on OpenShift IO. So I have terminal running. Everything seems to be fine. So let's execute the run command from here. And yeah, so for run command, I don't really know why, but it's not launching, and we think that it might be coupled somehow with IDE improvements. I'm not really sure. So for some reason they are not running, but you see that the preview URL is resolved. So I will just go to Vertex demo right now and execute the same command from terminal. Button compile Vertex run. It's a command here. So yeah, this is something we need to clarify, but for some reason they're not loading. Sometimes I need to clean the cache, and after that it works. So but there is no good explanation for now why it's not working. So let's do the same with terminal. So, and I will open the preview URL. Works fine. So I can type something. I can go to the hello world. I can change something here, like hello to hi. Should automatically redeploy everything. Yeah, it's redeploy. So if I go here, like type Ilya, should run hi Ilya. So you see that it's pretty much, we achieve pretty much the same user experience using the OpenShift recipe type from SPI from what we have right now on master with OpenShift connector. And you see the workspace bot is running and everything is fine here. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.